This quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to see your username on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to see username on TikTok. Click on TikTok app. This type of screen will appear. Now click on the profile. Click on edit profile. Now you can see username. Here you can see username on TikTok. That was whole procedure. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.